Wild elephant herds have created a major crisis for farmers in Odisha's Angul district, destroying paddy seedlings across several villages. With their nurseries damaged, farmers are now worried about delayed cultivation, mounting loans, and the future of their families. Farmers in Kanja, Nuagaon, Shyamsundarpur, and Sabalbhanga villages are bearing the brunt of the elephant menace. In Kanja and Nuagaon, farmers had planted paddy nurseries late this year, hoping for a good harvest. The seedlings had grown well, and farmers were preparing to uproot and transplant them into their fields. But before they could do so, a herd of wild elephants entered the area and ate, trampled, and completely destroyed the seedlings. Farmers said they had kept around 700 to 800 seedlings for every acre of farmland. With the seedlings now destroyed, they fear that arranging new seedlings will delay cultivation and ultimately affect their harvest. One distressed farmer said they have no idea where to get new seedlings or how they will continue farming. With loans to repay and families to feed, some farmers fear they may have no option but to leave their villages and work elsewhere for a living. The situation has also created panic among farmers in Shyamsundarpur and Sabalbhanga. According to farmers, herds of around 20 to 25 elephants enter agricultural fields at a time, trampling and destroying crops and paddy seedlings. Elephant footprints can now be seen across the damaged paddy nurseries. Farmers are worried about how they will support their families, educate their children, and repay their loans if they are unable to cultivate their land this year. Meanwhile, the Forest Department said compensation provisions are available for farmers whose paddy seedlings are damaged by elephants. After an assessment and report by the department, affected farmers can receive compensation of Rs 20,000 per acre. The department has also installed solar fencing in several villages to prevent elephants from entering farmland. Around 30 vehicles are being used for patrolling in the Angul Forest Division, while Gaja Mitra teams and special squads have also been deployed to monitor elephant movement. Angul DFO Nitish Kumar said the department would assess the losses suffered by farmers and provide compensation as per the applicable provisions. For the farmers, however, the damage has left them facing an uncertain agricultural season, with their livelihood and food security now at stake.